Hey, what's up guys? Our new ClickFunnels integration for Cart Hero is now live, and I want to jump in, give you guys a quick tutorial and show you how to set it up. So when we built out this ClickFunnels integration, we wanted to make it as powerful as possible and be able to leverage also some of the other integrations that we've built into Cart Hero, like our Klaviyo, Shopify fulfillment, WooCommerce fulfillment, etc. So the way that we set this up, step one is going to be, we need to create a funnel that we're going to select all of the different marketing and payment integrations inside of, so that we can tie our ClickFunnels integration to that funnel. And what this does is it tells us exactly what you want to do with those orders or with those new contacts. So step one is we're going to jump in, hit add new funnel, and we can just call this one ClickFunnels to Shopify, and we'll select host name. We can just call it CF. CF to Shopify. Just give yours a custom path. Over here on the right hand side, we need to select our payment account. We need to select a fulfillment, so we can select our Shopify store right here on the right hand side. And then if you also want to use some of our marketing integrations like Klaviyo, so anytime new contacts come in on your funnel, if you want to sync those to a Klaviyo list, you can just click on connect and then select an email list that you want us to add any of the contacts to. Then we're going to hit save funnel. Now I'm only setting up one integration, and in this setup I would be using the same ClickFunnels integration for all of my ClickFunnels funnels. It would just be kind of like a blanket integration. Now if you wanted to go in and set up multiple integrations, you can do that, and the power of that would be, and the reason that you might want to consider doing that is if you wanted to select a different payment integration or a different marketing or even a different fulfillment integration for a different webhook. So for example, if you were gonna sell a certain pair of shoes, you could set up a list inside of Klaviyo and then set up an integration for Cart Hero and tie this funnel to that Klaviyo list. And then every time the contacts would come in, we would know to use that specific Klaviyo list for all the contacts. Right here, I'm just setting up like a blanket integration for our entire ClickFunnels account, but just know that you can do multiple if you wanted to split it up in like per product or per funnel, and you wanted to use different marketing integrations or different payment providers. So let's hit save funnel. And then step number two is we're going to go up here and go to settings and go to integrations. We're going to find our ClickFunnels integration. We're going to click on add ClickFunnels integration. And we're going to give it a name. We'll just call this ClickFunnels to Shopify. And then right here is where we're going to select the funnel that we want to use, and that we want to use the settings that we want to assign to this integration. So we are going to select ClickFunnels to Shopify and hit install. Now up under installations, we'll see ClickFunnels to Shopify. We'll click on that, and it's going to give us our webhook URL. You can just copy that webhook URL. Now let's head over to ClickFunnels. So in our ClickFunnels account, we've got this funnel here that we want to send the orders over to Cart Hero, which will then fire that Klaviyo list. We'll also send the orders over to Shopify. We want to go to settings and then scroll down to webhooks. We're going to click on manage your funnel webhooks and then new webhook, and we're going to paste that webhook in the URL section. And then the next part is, the only thing that we need to change is under this adapter, we want to be sure to select JSON. So that's very important. If we don't select that, then the data isn't gonna be read by our system. So it's very important that we use JSON as the adapter. So we're going to create the funnel webhook, and that's it. So now anytime any contacts or any funnel orders come through on this funnel, we will bring that data and those orders into Cart Hero, and we'll use the marketing or the fulfillment integrations that we've tied to that funnel. So I'm going to send through a test order, and I will show you guys the next step on once that order is inside the Cart Hero dashboard on what it looks like on doing the product match, and us going from there. Okay, so now that I've got the webhook added to this ClickFunnels funnel, I sent through a test order for this large Remember Why You Started t-shirt. Now we can head back over to the Cart Hero dashboard, and over on the right hand side you will see products, and we will see pending product matches. This is where all of the products are going to show up if they're in the unmatched state, that if you need to match them to one of your products from your catalog, so that we can then send them over to your fulfillment provider. So right here we've got that large Remember Why I Started t-shirt. We're going to hit change product. Right here is where we're going to search for the product that we want to match this product to from our catalog. So we can search for the Remember Why. We'll click on it, and then now we're going to select the variant this applies. So this is a large Remember Why I Started t-shirt, so we're going to select large right here. Now in this advanced settings is this quantity section right here is if we were selling multiples of the same product. So if this was 2 large Remember Why I Started t-shirts, I could change this quantity to 2, which would then submit the order as a quantity of 2. But this one is just a quantity of 1, so we're just going to leave it alone and hit save product match. Okay, now that we've matched that product, anytime an order comes in with that same product title in the future, we will automatically keep that product matched and automatically create an order for that product. Just keep in mind that we do have a 15-minute delay from the time that the order was placed on ClickFunnels, from the time that we actually build the order and it's available in the order section, and then all the fulfillment and marketing integrations fire off. So I've already waited 15 minutes, and so now this order should be already back inside of our orders. And here we go. We see that large Remember Why I Started t-shirt, and the fulfillment was sent over to Shopify. So, all right, guys, that is it. Just keep in mind, if you wanted to build out a separate ClickFunnels integration for each different funnel in ClickFunnels so that you can build a different list, you can do that by just going back to the settings and going to integrations and creating another integration and linking a different funnel to it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@carhero.com, and we'll be happy to answer any questions. All right, guys, see you in the next one.